Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I want to share a short reminder about choosing good companionship. The people you spend time with influence your thoughts, your character, and even your future. That's why Islam emphasizes choosing righteous friends who remind of Allah and encourage you to do good. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "A person is on the religion of his close friend, so be careful whom you befriend. A good friend brings you closer to Jannah. A bad friend may drag you away from it. So choose friends who love Allah, who pray and who remind you to stay on the right path. So let us choose our friends wisely and work together on the path to Jannah." Jazakumullahu khairan for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.